Hi there! My name is Dominique Rivera, and we are the 5280 Sheep. We are a group of mechanical engineering students at Colorado School of Mines. The current outdoor recreational market lacks products that are made from sustainable materials, which are vertically integrated in any closed-loop product life cycle. This leads to excessive waste and an ever-increasing strain on our limited natural resources. Interest in outdoor recreation continues to grow rapidly, so does consumer demand. There has been a 12% increase in the amount of people purchasing outdoor recreation equipment this year alone. That is over 11,000 new consumers. Therefore, the more people that purchase equipment naturally leads to an increase in waste. As a result, we emphasize eco-friendly, recycled products that not only enhance sustainability in the market, but also meet consumer demand with a better product. Our solution is a backcountry avalanche shovel that uses fully sustainable materials from Vartega. Backcountry shovels do not currently have a long product life, nor can they be readily recycled. Vartega has made the first step in starting a closed-loop product lifestyle. However, they do not have the capability of closing it. This is where we have stepped in by utilizing their recycled carbon fiber materials to create the first vertically integrated closed-loop life cycle product. This is a win-win for everyone. We have performed a finite element analysis using SOLIDWORKS FEA in order to gather some baseline performance characteristics and worst-case scenario representations. We applied appropriate forces and fixtures on our model to most clearly simulate the real-life applications of the shovel and have already identified two key improvements. The first improvement is the trends of deformation at the lip of the shovel, and the second lies in the large amounts of stress at the connection between the pole and the head of the shovel. From this analysis, as well as Vartega's knowledge of their material properties, we are able to implement the necessary changes to our design in order to address these two key improvements. This helps us to ensure the best possible product. The current prototype of our product is still unrefined due to the difficult nature of working with the Vartega material, a lack of knowledge about the material, and also limited access to the specialized manufacturing processes and equipment. The most difficult part in the prototyping process was forming the shovel head. Our initial approach was to create the shovel head using a thermo vacuum forming machine. However, with the small amount of material we had to work with, the sheet we formed was so thin that when it was heated, it outstretched and could not create a proper seal. Due to these difficulties with the material, we had to cut individual strips out and hand form them around our shovel mold with a heat gun. To emulate Vartega material, we used a carbon fiber pole from a company called Dragonplate with telescopic adapters. The handle for the shovel, as well as the adapter to connect the pole to the shovel head, were both successfully 3D printed with Vartega materials. To assemble all of the parts into the full prototype, we used spring buttons and pin connections. These buttons and pins ensure quick assembly and disassembly and help minimize the overall size of the shovel to make it as portable as possible. It will take approximately $15 to produce each shovel. This includes labor, total material cost, and our operational costs. Our business model is centered around sustainability and the environment. As a result, we encourage our customers to be environmentally conscious throughout the life of our products. Because of this, we will offer 20% off any new backcountry shovel by simply bringing back their old one. By taking everything into consideration, we have calculated a market value of $79.99 per shovel. This is notably on average $15 below the competition. Our target market is anyone who journeys through the backcountry in the winter months, whether they are skiing, snowmobiling, hiking, or whatever else may take them outdoors. There is a lot of interest in the outdoor recreational market, and it is continuously growing. This multi-billion-dollar per year market saw a specific growth of 12% in backcountry equipment sales alone. This is where our product will have the biggest impact. To move forward with this project, we would require more material, consulting time with Vartega, and more funding for better equipment and manufacturing processes. This would allow us to efficiently manufacture the shovel head and the pole sections out of Vartega material to a standard that meets and exceeds current products on the market. In addition, the test results of a more fully functioning prototype will affect how we iterate to create a final design for the product. These iterations would consist of a thicker shovel head and a more refined process on how we manufacture the shovel head and other components of the shovel. Lastly, for the future of the potential business, we have a great start and would further consult with experts moving forward. We look forward to the future development of this product and also the impact it will have on the world. Hopefully, we will inspire a trend of new products that incorporate a closed-loop life cycle. Thank you for the opportunity to take part in the Wright Challenge. We hope to see it continue in the future.